So we are here in Kenya, Africa. Follow my camera and let me take you around in the Kenya International Industrial Expo. This right here is our LaserMen booth. Lots of people are coming to our booth. Expo official cameraman is shooting and covering our exhibition. My colleagues are also chatting with visitors introducing our laser equipment. You can see this guy is really interested in our products. Here is our technician using a handheld laser welding machine to demo the welding function. Of course, all the while, prospective customers keep getting attracted by our laser machines and coming over to our booth. Not only can it weld, it can also remove rust from metals and handle cleaning tasks, which really fits our customers' needs. Everyone's gathering around discussing our equipment. Of course, the best part is all the equipment we displayed is completely sold out. Alright, next exhibition, I'll share more with you again.